Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with useful guides and tutorials to enhance your experience with X. In today's video, we will walk you through a full guide on how to fake crash X to lock it. If you're looking for an extra layer of security or want to prevent unauthorized access to X, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your device and search for an app called Applock. Tap on the Install button to download and install it. Step 2. Once the installation is complete, tap on Open to launch the Applock app. Step 3. In the top right corner, tap on the 123 button. Step 4. Enter the desired PIN that you want to use and tap on the check mark icon. Step 5. Retype the PIN code to confirm it. Step 6. Allow the app to access the permissions it requires. Step 7. Tap on Settings and scroll down to find More Settings. Enable the Fake Crash option. Now, go ahead and enable the lock on the X app. Step 8. From now on, whenever you open the X app, it will appear as if it has crashed. To proceed, tap and hold on the OK button, and then enter the PIN to access the app. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to fake crash X to lock it. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and guides.